All right, so everybody gets depressed once in a while, right? Some more than others, some are more constant than others, right? So here are two things that I do when I'm feeling down, okay? So number one, I go to my nearest park, right? And I just try to enjoy Mother Nature because it's nice out here, and just think about all the good things. See? Just think about all the positive things and breathe in some fresh air, enjoy the grass, and just be grounded, okay? So number two, this is very important too, okay? Talk to a person, okay? Talk to someone you're close with, or just talk to anybody who you trust, right? It could be your best friend, it could be your spouse, or it could be a therapist, right? A therapist is a good solution too, okay? So, but if you can't afford a therapist, just talk to a close friend, a good family member, you know, just getting it out will relieve your pain, okay? So I hope that helped, and I'll see you guys in the next video.